If you're having issues using the Microsoft Copilot platform, in today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix it. The first thing that you can do in this situation is, if you're using the app version of Copilot, then what you can do is just tap and hold the app and head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of these settings on your device, you'll be able to see the option called storage, and right here you'll see the option which says clear data. Just tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this first step, make sure you remove the Copilot app from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is look for new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Copilot, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to solve any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can also try out is try to uninstall the Copilot app from your device and then again re-download it. Apart from this, what you can also do is try to use the web version using your mobile phone or using a different device. You can open up a web browser, search for Copilot, and make sure you log in or create an account if you already don't have one. And you can use the web version as well if you're having issues on the mobile app. Lastly, what you'll also need to make sure is that you have not connected to any VPNs. So if you are currently connected to one, make sure you disable it and your issue should be now fixed. I do hope this guide video helped you out in solving your issues. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.